Netflix series. Dear John.
I can't do serious.
I can't do serious either.
It's hard. Okay.
It's hard.
Hard Dog Life.
Hard.
No, that was dumb. I know.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna push on.
The
My face
struggle is real, guys. Well, we're actually making this for John. The struggle is real, John.
Yeah, my face looks orange. It's not cool. I look like an Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompas are green.
I like Willy Wonka though. No, they're not.
They're blue.
They're orange.
Oh yeah, they are orange, aren't they? Yeah.
What are you thinking of? Teletubbies? It's you left out a color. You left out purple. Tinky Winky. Let's see, Lollipop. Anyway, that's not why we're making this video. Okay.
We're making it because
It's for you, John. Yeah, you. You there. Yeah, you.
you will never see this video.
Yeah, you will. I hope you do. Anyway, this is for me to tell you how sweet you are.
Okay.
Come on, let me get it
I thought
out.
this was gonna be a funny video.
Well, you just screwed it
I was
all
gonna
up.
fart.
You're nasty.
I am nasty.
Fart a big one so we can post on YouTube and share it to the world.
You're not funny.
Yeah, I am. I'm funny looking, I know.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, so are you. I twitch. You can't do it.
Twitch.
You look stupid. Who just got a text message? Who just got
Okay, let's delete this one.